My name is Satish Shetke, and today we are here to make aware people for the forthcoming election, which is supposed to be in 2022 general elections, assembly elections. And this stall is specially put up for the awareness, people awareness, voters awareness, and the general public who should be aware of about the electronic voting machine, how it functions, how it works. Everything is being demonstrated in this stall. So we are just basically making people aware that how to operate the EVM machine. Okay, the EVM machine consists of three units. First is the ballot unit, second is the central unit, and third is the VVPAT. Okay, when if a person wants to vote, any person who is 18 plus is eligible for voting. So people can register their voting by voters helpline or nvsp.in. There's a voters helpline which is an app which can be installed on your mobile or which can be done through the computer, any CPU or a laptop, and it can be installed and you can directly enroll yourself. You can correct your name. You can by using different forms. There are different forms. Form 6 is for new voters. Okay, Form 6 is for new voters. So voters will be explained by, forms will be explained by Dipesh Manerkar.
Different types of form. Form 6 is for new voters to upload. Form 7 is for deletions, and Form 8 is for correction. These are the main forms used in election.
So now when the election comes, if a person wants to vote, it's a very simple process. The machine is very simple, and thanks to the election commission, they have made it very easy, the machine. So basically how it works is like first you have to release this ballot. So when the ballot is released, it will show a red signal which will automatically generate a green signal here that the voter can vote. So if a person wants to vote, there are different candidates. He can select any candidate with a symbol, serial number, the name of the candidate will be displayed along with the photo of the candidate. It is not displayed presently here, but when the election comes, it is the way they will demonstrate, means they will put the photo of the candidate also with the symbol of the candidate. So now you can put any vote, you can just do any anyone you can do. So once he has put his franchisee, you can see that a receipt is demonstrated on the VVPAT. So that is the symbol and this should be tallied. So this is how it is done. So the voter is also satisfied that he has taken a right candidate, he has selected a right candidate by a slip generated through the VVPAT machine. So it's a simple process, and anybody here in Goa can have a look. It will later displayed also at various levels. Presently we are displayed it at the IFI level, and later on we will be displaying it at different levels in collector office, even at schools, colleges, wherever there will be a proper where programs will be held. There is also provision for blind people. There is a there is a impression in braille, which is on the far right of the this machine, machine, central ballot unit. There is a far right, there is a braille imprint. So any blind people who can come, he can just touch and see that which candidate and which it is number, it is automatically generated to it. So he can easily vote and get he can put his franchisee here. So VVPAT is just to, earlier first it was introduced I think 2-3 years ago, the VVPAT, because people still had the misconception that the EVM total, which is not correct. So when the VVPAT prints and the central unit, they have to have the same amount. If the slips here are 1,000, same unit it has to show here 1,000, and the same it will show the symbol which they vote. We should tally with the slips in the VVPAT. So there is no misconception that, or there will be no manipulation of whatever sort, in counting, or even people who think that there will be a manipulation in this. all the people who are 18-year-old, all the citizens, please register yourself for voting. The process is going on, and by the 30th, I think you should get yourself registered. You can go on voters helpline or nvsp.in, or you can contact the Mamledar office or your local BLO who can help you in getting yourself registered. Do as soon as possible. My message is.